We usually start very early in the morning and finish it up late at night. So by the time we come back, we are generally completely exhausted. It's very important for all of us to keep our body and mind relaxed and pampered. Otherwise, we won't be able to, give our 100% and deliver the best of us. By the time we come back, usually all the spas and all the places where we can unwind are usually closed. So I have found my solution. I ordered a very special massage chair from Zero Healthcare, and it's one of the best chairs we have in Pakistan. Just round the corner, the whole chair and the features and the chair. Just wear a little. I'm rounding hours and it's just there. Yeah, just there. I've got my Zero Beyond Wellness massage. कैसे हैं जी आप लोग? Thank you so much. Please जल्दी से unbox करें. Let me unveil the beauty. This is the manual of the chair, and it has got all the procedures and processes and guidelines to assemble this chair. आप इसको पढ़िए, and it's in some other language, I don't know, and it's in English as well for the convenience of all the people who can read English. और इसमें अच्छी बात यह है कि it has 2 years warranty और lifetime आपको free service मिलती है इसकी. So you can, if anything goes wrong, God forbid, and it happens to every machinery, if it ever happens to your massage chair, you can get it fixed free of cost with 2 years warranty. So this Zero Beyond Wellness Ufinity voice control massage chair is about to be assembled. Can't wait. So this gentleman is basically fixing this display of the chair, which is one of the best features. You can operate this whole chair through this display. But one very, very important feature which I like the most about this Zero Beyond Wellness Ufinity voice control chair is the voice control. There are a few people in our family, or बहुत दफ़ा ऐसा होता है कि they are senior people, especially just like my mother. She is not very, gadget savvy, और उनको नहीं पता होता कि how to operate any machinery, although it's not very complicated. उनके लिए there's a voice control. You can just call this chair what to do, and Zero, the Beyond Wellness Ufinity chair is all set to massage your body and whatever is required. So it's like super cool feature. Or there are 2 functions, like you can operate it automatically and manually both. So Janab, this chair is now finally being switched on, and you can see the movement of the chair. So if you go through the website, you will find countless features. There are ample features which are just unbelievable. इतनी सारी चीज़ें हैं कि if I start counting them one after another, it will take another 1 hour. So just experience it by yourself by ordering it and go to the website, because they have like multiple options of chairs and you can choose the one which you like. But I like this one the best because this is just the perfect for me and especially for my mother. My mother was actually after my life to get this chair, so that's why I'm very happy. So now this is the time when I am going to enjoy my Ufinity Zero Beyond Wellness Voice Control Massage Chair. बड़े दिनों से मुझे इस वक्त का इंतज़ार था. स्लाइटली बिगर फीट माशाल्लाह, लेकिन वो बड़े आराम से इसके अंदर फिक्स हो गए. सो नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू स्विच ऑन माई चेयर. ओके, स्पीच. Hello Zero.
Hello, welcome.
Spa massage.
Okay, spa massage.
So we select the body part. Okay, I need back
Invalid command.
and feet. It has a complete list of features. होता क्या है कि when you come back late after a long, grueling and tiring schedule, your body needs unwinding, complete relaxing therapy. But when you have to go for your work in the morning, उस वक्त आपको अपनी body को charged up रखना होता है. So it has this option of going to work massage. Again, this is spa treatment, which is good to unwind your body, and it stretches your body. It has complete sauna, which is very important for the circulation of blood in your body. So I'm feeling so relaxed. Seriously, I'm feeling so sleepy. I cannot even deliver my lines properly, but I'm feeling myself on cloud nine. Complete package of relaxing your mind, your soul and your body. I don't know why I didn't order this chair before. I think big yes. And I think everybody should have this chair according to your needs, because as I said, that this website has a complete range of different chairs. So I like this one, but you can opt for the other ones as well. And this is zero gravity. इस तरह मैं ऐसे महसूस कर रहा हूँ जैसे मैं स्पेस में हूँ. और oh my god, this is so amazing. People expect us to perform 100%, लेकिन यकीन करें कि अगर हम एक रात पहले थक कर आए हों तो अगला पूरा दिन ख़राब हो जाता है. And it's not in the case of any actor or any person who is performing in front of the camera. It happens, I think, with everyone. Whosoever is working in any field or any wherever a person is working, I think to give our 100% the very next day, you should be completely unwinded and relaxed the night before. And it's very important to start your day with a new energy, with new zeal, and with with your body and your mind all 100% ready to take charge of your responsibility. And I think for that, it's very important to have Ufinity voice control massage chair. And I am not on this planet Earth. I'm somewhere in the middle of some clouds and Earth. Somewhere in the middle, somewhere in between. अच्छा, वो लोग जो इस स्क्रीन को यूज़ नहीं करना चाहते, उनके लिए यहाँ मैनुअल ऑपरेशन भी है। मतलब ये आपने किया और यहाँ से आपकी ऑन हो गया और आप जो चाह रहे हैं वो आपको यहाँ ऑप्शन अवेलेबल है. So you can easily choose the program through manual selection. See, I'm coming back on planet Earth. So now this is my Zero Healthcare Ufinity voice control massage chair. It has 2 years warranty with lifetime free service. आप इसको ऑर्डर कर सकते हैं ऑनलाइन एंड यू विल गेट इट ऑन योर डोर स्टेप. तो मुझे तो ये बहुत पसंद आ रही है. आई एम लविंग इट. और आप भी इसको ऑर्डर कीजिए और इन्जॉय कीजिए. बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया.